Oh, hi everybody, yeah, here back with another video. So I have some stuff from ZacArt, and I have my stuff from Monster's Booty. So what he does, and also two other items as well, but what he does is this really cool thing called Monster's Booty. I put a link down below to that. But basically, you can buy chances to win stuff out of a vending machine, and he posts the video on his page, on his stories, and you can watch through and see what you got virtually through the wonder of the internet, and see what goodies you got. He puts tons of cool things in there. So I got my bag here of my goodies. I did see some of them, but he always throws in extra stuff, so I'm going to open them up here. But I will show what I saw on screen. But I did have five chances, so 5 items. Feels like there's a little more than 5 items in here. There's probably some stickers and other stuff as well. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First item on the top is something that I did see in the video. It is this cool little monster dude that I love so much. There we go. Rawr. So he's super cool. So I love these little finger things. He'll go with this one here that I think I got in my mystery box from him. So I got 2 of these crazy creatures from him. I believe they're both from him. So then let's pick something else. This is another item that was in the video. So it is a color growing spider. Do not swallow. Expands 600 times of size. So after 1 to 12 hours, 4 hours, and 72 hours. So that is super cool. Little spider. We'll take it out of the package so you can see it better. We'll go right back in here though. I will probably not grow him. I'll just leave him as he is. And hang him up somewhere, or tack him up somewhere, most likely. So he can be crawling on my wall. And we have a little guy here. I think this was also in the video. Not entirely certain. I will post footage of that. But it is this crazy googly eye dude. So here we go. He's all hairy on the back. So that's really cool. So that will make actually a really cool keychain or necklace. I might keep wearing him as a necklace or something. But he has a little thing. I also just, when I'm not wearing him, post him, put him up on my wall. So he's cool. Then I have this little alien. I got one of these in the mystery box as well from him. So here is. I'm dropping it. Here is the alien. He's a parachute alien. Didn't quite work out last time. I'm just gonna leave him the way he is. He'll be stuck inside his spaceship. Does not want to focus. Thank you, camera. You're a jerk. And then another item is this squishy hand. Chopped off hand. Is it all sticky and stretchy and everything? I'm sure it's all sticky. Yes, it is. So it's one of those sticky hands, so that I can stretch it and everything. So I can throw it on the wall and it will stick. High five. So I'll put it back in the plastic. So it's really sticky. It's going to pick up cat fur and everything all over the place. I'm not careful. And then, what else do we have? Ooh, I see something really cool that I did not see before. That's awesome. So we have the king finger sticker. So he has these in his shop. They're really cool. They're really huge. I kind of want to get one, but I'm more interested in getting the big ugly first. And then I got this cool dude. He was not in the video. So this is one of Zach's creations. He's super cool looking. Look at that. I love it. He made a ton of cool bootleg kind of things and like other cool things for it. So I'm glad he threw that in because I did not get any of the things that he made in my original one. And then I got this little thing. It is a, what do they call these things? I don't know what they call these. It's a sticky version of the torture device thing. I don't know what they call it. I'll have to look at it. And then this was also in the video. This is what I was super stoked for in the video. It is this squishy skeleton. Let's take it out of the bag. I love these. Look super cool. He posted about these because he posted what was going to be inside. I love like the goops going all over the place. So. But there we go. It's like this goop inside. It's kind of all leaked out and gone crazy. So that is super cool. It's like spitting out blood. And then we have more stickers. And of course this business card. That is it. So let's look at the stickers. So we have the Monsters Booty sticker. Monsters Booty. Another King Finger one. A Live Fast Die Young. I have one of these on my computer right now. Another couple more Monster Booty ones and another King Finger. And of course his business card. So there we go. So I will definitely put a link down below because his stuff is awesome. So I did have two other items that I bought from him. I also wanted to show off because I don't think I did a video of it last year when I got the mystery box for last time. So I did the video for this one. I didn't get it last time, but this is what I got as the main cool prize in the last mystery box. So I thought I would just show it off. It's super cool. I'm still waiting to try and get a frame for it so I can frame it up just with attached to this because it is 3 out of 30. It's a frostbite color changer. It is the Grebe. You can buy the Grebe on his website along with the Big Ugly and a couple other ones. I'm still waiting to see if he makes the ear rat. It's a rat with an ear growing on his back. It looks super cool, and I'm really hoping that he makes more of those so I can snap one of those. But I did pick up these two things. These are probably not safe for young children, so if you're an adult with a young child, this might not be appropriate for you. Or if you don't like stuff to do with kind of sex. Not super blatant, but kind of. That's what these are. So, but I thought they were kind of funny. I followed Titty Bats, and I think Zach worked with Titty Bats to make something similar, which Titty Bats still hasn't released, I believe. But I thought I would get these because they look super, super cool. So this is the Jumpin Bumpin Uglies. This one is Leapin' Labia. This one here is Poppin' Pecker. And they bounce forward when you squeeze the little thing, so I will take video of that. And then put them back together with this part, of course. And this one here is number 11. And this one is, it says PP number 2. And that's his name. Yeah, Leapin' Labia, number 11, ZacArt's signature, and then number 12. So there we go. So they're super cool. So let me show a little bit better if I can get. So it doesn't want to focus. So when I get video, I will of course get close up of these guys because they are super cool. So they're like monsters, but of course they're shaped like what they represent. But I still think they're cool. And then in the style of this video, I thought I would share some little vending machine stuff that I have picked up recently. So I'm going to show a video of me getting this stuff out of the vending machines right now. There we go. And so I'll show you what I got. So the first one, I picked up two previously. I don't think I filmed it, unfortunately. So I picked up these at the dollar store. They have a little vending machine. And I picked up these little soldier dudes. There we go. There's a drop one. So there's one. And then there's another one. And then my third one. I believe this one is my most recent one. Not entirely certain. So they're super cool. I just love these little figures. I drop them again. And then I picked up 5 of these little capsules from the Portuguese market that I love going to. And these look super cool, so I'm going to open them up and see what's inside because they look cool. So the first capsule, open it up, looks like this monster thing. I think I got 2 of these. I see another one. Looks exactly like it. That is super cool. So, reminds me a lot of something Zach would put in his vending machine. So I'm going to pop him back in his capsule, trap him inside. And then I got another one that I believe is the same one. So, yes. Oh, it looks like it has a different face though. Does it have a different face? I'll have to look back. I think it has a different face. Can't tell. Can't remember. Let me pull the other one out. Let's see. Do they have different faces? Or are they the same? Yeah, they do have different faces, so that is pretty cool. So let me show them both off. There we go. So there they are. Super cool. So same color, but different faces. So that's cool. We have another one that looks similar. It's gray. Another evil monster dude. So there it is. Super cool. Love these crazy little monster things. And then this one looks like a dinosaur. Probably go back to these vending machines just because these items are kind of really cool. And they will be perfect for my little tape boxes. So there's a little dinosaur. That's super cool. There we go. And the last one I got totally reminds me of my sis. It's a monkey doing like this weird handstand thing. She like has a whole bunch of these that she's collected from vending machines. So this totally reminds me of her. Now I have one. I think I have one actually that she gave me because she had like a whole bunch of duplicates. There we go. That is it for this virtual vending machine and real life vending machine items, as well as 2 additional items from ZacArt. He's super cool. Definitely recommend check him out. I'm going to post the link down below so you guys can check out his website, check out his Instagram, and check out Monsters Booty especially. It's super cool. He right now is sold out, but I think he's going to have more. He keeps doing like every month. I believe every month he has a certain number of slots that he does. So definitely recommend if you like cool monster things and weird things, do it because it's pretty awesome to do. And it's and as I said, he threw in like an extra thing, which is kind of like extra. I think he threw in an extra couple things, which is really cool. He threw in an extra couple things last time I did it too. So that was awesome. I dig it. Thank you for watching, and as always, peace out.